Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Halif's channel. Let me ask you a quick question. Which one sounds correct? The person who I met yesterday or the person whom I met yesterday? Kalau kamu langsung bingung, berarti topik hari ini cocok banget buat kamu. Who is who in English? These are small words, but they can really affect how natural your English sounds. Right, let's start with the most common one, who. Who is for the subject or the doer of the action. Who itu orang yang melakukan aksi. For example, she is the teacher who explains grammar clearly. Who refers to she. He is the friend who always helps me. Who refers to he. I know someone who works at this company. Who refers to I. So who is for the subject like she, he, they, we, you, I. Now let's talk about whom slowly. Whom is for the object who receives the action. Whom itu orang yang menerima aksi. For example, he is the person whom I met yesterday. So it means I met him. You have to use whom. She's the woman whom we talked to earlier. We talked to her. Whom refers to the woman. That's the manager whom I emailed last week. I emailed him, the manager. Yeah? So whom is for the object who receives the action. Next, let's talk about whose. Whose is always about possession. Punya siapa. For example, she's the student whose English is very good. Dia adalah siswa yang bahasa Inggrisnya sangat bagus. I met a man whose phone was lost. This is the girl whose idea we used. So whose is for possession like his, her, their, etc. Finally, let's talk about which. Which is for thing or extra information. For example, I bought the book which you recommended. This is my laptop which I use every day. I live in Jakarta which is very busy. Which sering dipakai untuk menerangkan benda atau informasi tambahan. So quick recap, who is for the doer, whom is for the receiver, whose for possession, and which for thing or extra information. Now, besides who, whom, which, and whose, there is that. When can we use that? That can replace who, whom, or which. If you are confused to use them, you can just use that. For example, someone who works there is the same as someone that works there. The person whom I met, the same as the person that I met. The book which I bought has the same meaning with the book that I bought. However, whose cannot be replaced with that because whose is explaining about possession. The girl whose phone is broken is correct, but the girl that phone is broken is not correct. You cannot replace whose with that. So use that for people or things, but not for ownership. So, remember, clear English is better than perfect English. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.